everyone, welcome to my Tech Life YouTube channel. If you are still not subscribed my channel, just click on that red color subscribe button below this video and also click that bell icon. Then you can receive my all the videos instantly on your mobile. Okay, today I'll explain about the best communication chatting app on Play Store. Okay, you can find this app from the Play Store. It's called MeToo. Below of this video description I mentioned that application link also, so you can get it very easily. Okay, let's see how to download this app. You go to Play Store. Here you can type MeToo. Then this is the app, you can find it. If you can't find it, see the video description, there is a app link, you can find it there. Now install it. Install it, then open the application. You can see the app icon here. This is the MeToo app icon, the black color thumb mark and the box. So open it. When you open this app, you can see this interface. First, accept the privacy policy and allow the locations. Okay, now start messaging. You just skip these sections, then start messaging. Now click to hold allow. Now you just type your mobile number. When you type the mobile number, you will get a verification code. You have to wait 2 minutes. If you don't get the code, you click this didn't get the code, then you will receive the code in SMS. Okay, this is the verification call, just answer it. Okay, now my account also. When you open this app, you can see this interface like this. There is many options in top. You can see the settings also here. I will tell you important settings here. You just click this setting option and you can see the options here. You can change your file picture and you can set your username here, and you can set bio here. If you want, you can change your background. There is many options here, you can see that, and this app created by many languages, you can see that also. And you can start the new secret chat here or new group or new channel. Now I am showing you new secret chat. I choose one contact from here. Okay, choose him. Then I can set the time here. 1 second, 2 second, 1 week, 4 month, 1 day. I can set it. I just set 30 seconds for this chat. Let's see what happens. Okay, send the message. I just dropped the message. He's seeing it and type. And now you can see this. After the 30 seconds, it will stop. Now see the first chat. It automatically will raise from here. Now you can see all the contacts here, and you can send emojis and symbol stickers also. And here is the new thing. You can see emoji for the symbol. Just click any symbol. You can see the sticker also. And you can send voice messages here. If you don't need, you can lock it. If you want you to send, you just click here, it will send. If you don't, you delete it. You can send messages or videos, anything. You can send file or documents also, and you can share your location also here. And this is a MeToo app channel. You can see that also. Two members online. You can see that in top. You can save new contact here. You just click that plus mark on top. You can add your contact. Okay, this is the app. You can see now. I hope you guys this is useful app and video. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any feedback, just drop it in below this comment option.